Winter is a beautiful season, but it can also be tough on your home. Cold temperatures, snow and ice all bring challenges. In this video, I'll share some simple but important winter home maintenance tips that will help you stay warm, save energy, and protect your house all season long. Let's start outside. First, clear your gutters and downspouts. Leaves and debris can block water flow, and when it freezes, it creates ice dams that can damage your roof. Next, check your roof for any loose or missing shingles. Even small gaps can lead to leaks when snow begins to melt. Finally, seal up any cracks or gaps around windows and doors with caulk or weather stripping. This keeps cold air out and prevents heat from escaping. Now let's move inside. Make sure your furnace is in good shape by replacing the filter and, if possible, scheduling a professional tune-up. A clean, efficient furnace not only keeps your home warmer, but also saves on energy costs. Don't forget your pipes, especially the ones in basements or near exterior walls. Wrap them with foam pipe insulation to protect against freezing and bursting. And if you haven't checked your attic or basement insulation in a while, now's the time. Good insulation keeps your home warmer and reduces those heating bills. Winter is also a great time for safety checks. Replace the batteries in your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. With heating systems running and fireplaces burning, these devices are more important than ever. If you use a fireplace, schedule a chimney inspection and cleaning to reduce fire risks. And if you rely on space heaters, keep them at least 3 feet away from curtains, furniture, or anything flammable. Before the first big snowfall, make sure you're ready outside. Stock up on salt or sand for icy walkways and test your snowblower or have shovels ready. Also, remember to shut off outdoor faucets and drain your hoses. If water is left inside, it can freeze and cause pipes to burst, leading to costly repairs. A little preparation goes a long way in winter. By clearing gutters, checking your heating system, adding insulation, and doing a few safety checks, you'll save money, prevent damage, and keep your home cozy all season long. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more home and lifestyle tips, and share it with friends and family so they can be winter ready too. Thanks for watching and stay warm this winter.